So while I haven't got anything new to show off this week, I thought I'd show this beetleweight clusterbot that I made a while ago that isn't quite finished yet. But I just thought, you know, while I've got nothing new for this week's video, why not? So this is a beetleweight cluster that I had a go at making called Sasa Lele. So one reads sale 50% off, then you got the same with the other, put them together and you have Sasa Lele. Now the inspiration for this came from shop windows to have a similar setup to this, so I don't know if you've seen stuff like this. They have been around in shops all over the world and they've become a meme, and it actually became some sort of meme at a charity event I did in Scotland back in November, and hence the inspiration to the name and the theming of this clusterbot. Now they're 3D printed with ABS, but they are printed at a high temperature at 260 degrees, which is around 40 degrees higher than I normally would. And the reason I did that was because of the layer adhesion, so it holds up a lot better. Because the last time I 3D printed a beetleweight, if you were at the Bristol Pot Builders event at the SXX, in February of 2020, you'll probably know why with the Joe Brown 4DX motion theatre experience. But with these printed at a higher temperature, I'm not sure how well they'll hold up in combat. But the intention was to 3D print these out of nylon or Allen 910, but I couldn't get hold of some in time, and I just thought I have some spare, and I just thought I'd just try some different things out. But anyway, enough of blabbering on. So before I get into the driving, this one, all it needs is, well, the initial plan was to put some wedgelets at the front, but I can't do that because of where the things went wrong in the file, especially when I tried to fix it. And because of the way things are infiddled, I actually can't insert the bolts to put the wedgelets in place. So this one I'm going to call finish, sorry. So it's got everything in there I need. However, this one will, because I have fixed the issue and I can put some wedgelets in this. But all this needs is a power light, and once that I've got the wedgelets, what am I doing? It's 2:30 in the morning. I shouldn't be filming these videos. So anyway, I think, without further ado, I'm just going to stop blabbering on and just say stuff that just doesn't make sense probably, and get to the driving. The other thing I haven't pointed out is there's not a lot of torque in the motors on this one. They're quite... Hang on a minute. So the thing I was trying to say was there isn't a lot of torque in the motors. They are quite a low gear ratio, and they spin at about 1,350 RPM. Forget what the ratio is of these gear motors exactly, besides I wasn't provided it by the seller. But at some point they will be brushless and they will be a high gearbox ratio to allow better traction and better control. But anyway, here's the blue. Actually, okay, this is going to be an interesting one. So I've not got these on the same receiver module, and I've not got them on the same transmitter. So I have fought on both one-on-one while using the same controller, but this is going to be an interesting one this time around because I'm actually going to be trying using both of them to see if I can get these fight one-on-one. So here we go. What's going to happen here? I've got some transmitter on. Show that. This is so difficult. Also, the other thing I haven't done yet is I haven't got these to try and pull or push an actual beetleweight yet, but we'll get them lined up a little bit, I suppose. But also because of the lack of the torque in the gearbox motor, it keeps going to the side a little bit. But probably not going to go on for this much longer. But it just keeps going to this. Okay, you know what, now. Alright, first time I've got them to try and push a fully sized and full to weight beetleweight, so here we go. Actually, you know what, I'm actually just trying to this size here. I mean, from the side, because it doesn't have as much traction as a friend face, but right now for the blue. Okay, good start. So I need to find it. Yeah, I think that'll do. Okay, I think the plan with these is to get these destroyed at whatever event I can get these into next. And once I've done that, I'm going to get those drive issues sorted, and then going to rebuild it, probably out of Alloy 910 or nylon. But let's just see where things go from then, whenever that can come around.